what's up? It's your boy Trix. Today we're going to be doing another, what's it called? Another Rogue video. I've got it up on this monitor, so if I'm not looking at this screen or this way where chat is, you know why. Got code up here, and I've got the tutorial up on this screen as well. So I'll be looking at chat and the tutorial on both on this screen. So while I'm reading, I should be able to also read chat. Yeah, let me just move this down a bit and out of the way. There we are. So let me open up chat and then pop you out. Thank you. Mod shift 1. There we are. Then I can hang on. Control. I should be able to Alt. There we are. Freaking painful. This one I want to not make full screen. What have I just done with that? Oh, fuck. Did I just quit that? Oh, fuck. For fuck's sake. Why does chat always have to be weird on OBS, man? Genuinely. There we are. I'll just chuck chat there. You do not like updating, do you? Fuck's sake. What's your fun? What's your fun? Do you wanna go to 1? Do you? Yeah? You're at 1 now? Cool. On 3? Nothing. Cool. I'll just chuck you there. Oh fuck, it's gone back to here again, hasn't it? What's your fun? There we are. There we are. I'm just gonna chuck it down here. And then let me just open up Brave on top. I had everything set up, and then this piece of shit. Genuinely. Yeah? Does that one work? No? No? Okay. Let me just see. There's okay, it's floating now. Nice. Why can I not? Okay, hang on. Am I able to? Yes, I am. Sick. Cool. Let me just fix this. No? Does it not want to let me? Bruh. Nah. Okay. There we go. Finally got this freaking thing. Mother. Genuinely. Pain. What's your fun? There we are. And now I just know, do not bring it up in that corner. Cool. And then there, I'm not touching you now. You can just stay there. Frick me, honestly. I'm on chapter 4. Oh, on this one I'm gonna have to. There we are. Be chapter 4. Fuck. There we are. So on here, we're going to start clearing up our code a bit and utilizing separate files. As projects gain in complexity size, it's a good idea to start keeping them as clean set of files modules so you can quickly and find what we're looking for and improve compilation time sometimes. If you look at the source code for this chapter, and you'll see that we've broken out a lot of functionality into individual files. When you make a new file and write it on and it becomes a module, you can then have to tell us to use these modules. So main RS has gained 3 module mod map. Similar follow pub use. Okay, let me have a look. So in SRC, okay, so I need to cd into hello rust. Then I need to, you know what? Oh yeah, it's fine in here. Cool. I need to touch. Can I there? Components.rs, touch map.rs, touch player.rs, touch rect.rs. Cool. Then making what we start renaming new map now in map.rs to new map underscore test. Okay, so map.rs. Should I just? I feel very tempted to just copy paste this, you know. You know what? I'm gonna save myself time, but I'm gonna read over everything still. Because your boy don't cheat. Well, I'm kind of cheating, but still. You know what I mean. What the hell is wrong with this? Yeah, cool, cool. There we are. This is main. Just need to overwrite all of this. Nope. Control shift thing? No. Oh, fuck. There we are. There we are. Fuck me, man. What? Which? Ah, I know what it might be. Oh, shit. Fucking knew it. I guarantee this was the reason why I was struggling. That was main. Let's do components. Copy. Paste. Oh, fuck's sake. Of course it can do it now. Is it because that's highlighted? Yeah, it is. God damn it. Be done main. Let's do map. Paste. There we are. multiplayer is only on Linux when it's like this. I think it might be my laptop, which is going to really piss me off. There we are. And then wrecked. That's still highlighted. There we are. Now let's read why we done that. So, making more interesting map. We'll start by renaming new map inside map RS. So this function here to new map test, we'll stop using it but keep it around for a bit. It's a decent way to test our map code. We'll also use Rust documentation tags to publish what this function does in case we forget later. You can of course, if your previous function was starting with 3 forward slashes, it makes it into a function comment. Your IDE will then show your comment text when you hover the mouse over the function header. Will it? I don't know if new of them will do that actually. And you can use Cargo's documentation feature to make pretty documentation pages for the system you're writing. It's mostly handy if you plan on sharing your code or working with others, but it's nice to have. So now, in the spirit of the original libcod tutorial would start making a map, our goal is to randomly place rooms and join them together with corridors. Making a couple of rectangles, we'll start with a new function, pub function, new map, rooms and corridors, whatever. This makes a solid 80 by 50 map with walls on all tiles you can't move. You cut the function signatures for changing the map. We want to use main.rs, just requires changing gs.ecs insert new map test to gs ecs insert new map rooms and corridors. Once again, we're using that macro to make our life easier. See the previous chapter for discussion on how that works. Since this algorithm makes heavy use of rectangles and rect type, we'll start by making one in rect.rs. We'll include some utility functions that will be useful later on in this chapter. Cool, there's nothing really new here, but let's break it down a bit. We'll define a struct called rect. We added the pub tag, making it public. It's available outside of this module. By putting it into one new file, we can automatically create a code module that's built Rust way to compartmentalize your code. You can add pub mod. Yeah, mod rect, pub use rect. In front of anything, you can get rect from us as super rect. So this use makes it that instead of you having to say super rect, you can just specify that when you want to use the rectangle class, the rectangle module, you can just say use rect by importing the module, and then when you want to use it, you just call super rect with the capital R. Entitled new, it uses a return shorthand, returns a rectangle based on XY width and height. We pass in, we define a member method, and so that it has a self, meaning it can see into a rect to which it's attached but can't modify its function. It returns a ball through its two rectangles over that false otherwise. We define a center also if you remember rectangle as tuple applied to a map. So inside map, there should be an apply room to map. Yep. Using for y in room y plus 1, room y minus 2. That's in this range. We want to go all the way to the value of y2 and not y2 minus 1. Otherwise, it's relatively straightforward. Use 2 for loops to visit every tile inside the room's rectangle and set that tile to be a floor. With these 2 bits of code, we can create a new rectangle anywhere with rect new xy with height. We can add it to the map as floors with apply room to map rect map. That's enough to add a couple of test rooms. Our map function now looks like this. new map rooms and corridors, which is here. But they've added some more stuff that's going to be talked about later on. If you cargo run, you'll see that you now have 2 rooms not linked to 2 disconnected rooms. Isn't much fun, so let's add a corridor between them. We're going to use some comparison functions. Import them at the top of map.rs. Use std cmp max min and max do what they say. They return the minimum or maximum of the 2 values. You could use if statements to do the same thing, but some computers will optimize this into a simple fast call for you. We let Russ figure that out. Then we make 2 functions for horizontal and vertical tunnels, which is apply horizontal tunnel, apply vertical tunnel, which are these 2. Then we add a call, apply to horizontal tunnel map 254023 to your map making function, and voila, we have a tunnel between the 2 rooms. If you run cargo around the project, you can walk between the 2 rooms and not into walls, so previous code is still working, but now it looks a bit more like a roguelike. Making simple dungeon, now you can use the random dungeon. We'll modify our class as follows: new map rooms and corridors. Just this one. The change is they've added constants for the maximum number of rooms to make and the minimum and maximum size of the rooms. This is the first time we've encountered const. It just says set up this value at the beginning and never change it. It's the only easy way to have global variables in Rust, since they can never change. They often don't even exist and get baked into the functions where you can use them. They do exist because they can't change. There are no concerns when multiple threads access them. It's often cleaner to set up a named constant than to use a magic number that is a hard-coded value with no real clue as to why you picked that value. You require a random number that we add to the use statement at the top of map.rs. We're randomly building a width and height. We're then placing the room randomly so that x and y are greater than 0 and less than maximum map size -1. We iterate through existing rooms, rejecting the new room if it overlaps with the one we've already placed. So okay, we apply it to the room. We're keeping rooms in a vector, although we aren't using it yet. Joining the rooms together, we now join the rooms together with corridors. We'll add this if okay section of the map generator. So what does this do? It starts by looking at to see if rooms list is empty. If it is, then there is no previous room to join, so we ignore it. It gets the room center and stores it as new x and new y. It gets previous room in the vector center and stores it as previous y. It rolls a dice, and half the time it draws a horizontal and then a vertical tunnel, and half the time the other way around. Try cargo run, placing the player. Currently, the player always starts in the center of the map, which the new generator may not be valid starting point. We could simply move the player to the center of the first room, but it's likely that our generator will need to know where all the rooms are so we can put things in them rather than just the player's location. We'll modify our new map rooms and corridors function to also return rooms list, so we can change the method for signature pub function new maps rooms and corridors, then return the statement to room map. Our main RS file also that requires adjustments to accept new formats, so change our main file to look like this. Let me just put main. Main's a lot shorter now. This is mostly the same, but we are receiving both the rooms list and the map from new room maps, rooms, and corridors. We then place the player in the center of the first room. Let me just check something. Yeah, it's alright. I'm just checking that everything looks alright on the stream. There we go. Wrapping up and supporting numpad and VI keys. How long have I been streaming for? 20 minutes? Oh, wow, that's not a long stream. Now you have a map that looks like a roguelike. I place the player in the first room. And then you explore with keys. Not every keyboard has cursor keys that are really accessible. Some laptops require interesting key combinations for them. Lots of players like to stay with the numpad, but not every keyboard has one of those. So we also support the directional keys from text editor VI. Oh, nice. I just want to test that now because they said that it works with VI key combos. Am I selecting? Okay. Cargo. I should bargo into the cargo. Run. that should build and then run. Or do I need to build? I need to build first. Cargo build. Let me see what's wrong. Okay, so player input help, try calling player input as a method self.player input CTX. So that's 27,9 in main.rust. Tile hurt because multiple blob imports were found in the same module. Could refer to enum imported here. That's very weird. Because it should just be able to run. Issues. Oh, there's a shit ton of issues open. And oh, I think this is dead, you know. That's sad. Has the developer not updated this? On June 17th. That's pretty long ago. You know what, yeah? I might just call this here. But on while I'm on stream, I'm gonna find another tutorial to do. Cause that's kinda shit. Cause that's in the latest version of the code as well. But for this chapter, and this chapter should be updated. It hasn't been updated in 5 months. None of this has been updated in 5 months. That's some shit. Hang on. Rust. I'm gonna find another tutorial. I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, I started this, and I'm just gonna give up on Rust now. No, I want a proper tutorial. All time. And then I want a tutorial. Tutorial. Top. All time. I'm gonna do over the last year. That's not really a tutorial. That's a video. I would like a blog post or something. I'd understand if I fucked something up while I was coding it, but because I just copy pasted this, that's a separate issue. If it just doesn't run even though I just copy pasted it straight. And yeah. Should I try to... That's nice. This dude made a tutorial that's like a game and he's updated it. And the last time it was updated was last month. And there's only one issue. Oh. I'm wondering if I should just keep hacking away at it and seeing if I can just get it working. Should I just hack on it to get it working? There aren't that many things that I need to fix anyway. So 27.9, 27. Okay, let me hack away at it. Cool. Cargo build. Alright, let's see. First error is on line 27. This. Like that. Then we have ambiguous name. Imported. And then a specific import of tile type to disambiguate. Okay, so where is it importing that from? Well, I could just try seeing if it runs, and if it doesn't run, then I know that, oh yeah, I need to switch to the other one. Ah, fuck, yes. Player SLC main 9.5. Ambiguous name. Tile type. What line is that? 30 and 40. Tile type, tile type, tile type. Nope, not that one. It's this one. Tile type 30. So let me check where it does the update for tick. I could probably check in chapter 5, couldn't I? Because it'll be the same. Draw underscore map. Where is this? It's referring to map. Tile type, there we are. Draw map. New maps and corridors. I think it's going to use all of the ones from here. New maps. New maps and corridors. Does it even need player? No method named player underscore input file for mutable reference AMA in current scope. Cargo build. Ah, I know what to do now. And it's, what's it called? Player input. There we are. Where's player input? Is it in map? Where the hell is player input? Oh, wait, hang on a minute. In player_player.rs, there should be a player input here. But for some reason, it's not. So I need to just copy paste this. Oh, that's so much pain. Jesus Christ. Let me just attach it to the very end. Did I not update player? Let me see, SLC player. Let me just grab this. I don't know if this is gonna work because I'm grabbing it from the 5th chapter. Shit. You know what? I'll commit these changes and then I'll start working on chapter 5 next time. That annoys me though, because why is chapter 4 broken? I think chapter 5 will work. I'm hoping chapter 5 will work, because I would actually like to see it working. That's so annoying. How is it missing a whole function? Hang on, I just want to see how it's missing a whole bloody function. Because there's no way. I must have missed something out when I copied. Player underscore input, yeah. I want to see where this is defined. Where? Chapter 5, player.rs. Chapter 4, player.rs. Fuck's sake, I forgot to copy it over, didn't I? I guarantee I forgot to copy it over. I know what I did now. So fucking stupid. I copied over map to both player and to map.rs. It's working completely fine. I'm just dumb. I'm glad I took the time to actually investigate that. That's so stupid from me. Sorry about that, guys. It should work fine now. Unless I fucked up in the file as well. Yeah, it should work. Oh, fuck, I always forget, man. Hang on. No. Let me select it. Thanks. There we go. Cover run. Nice. Let me use the VI commands. That's so good, man. Oh, you guys can't see it, but it's running and it's so nice. I'm actually so happy it's working right now. I am very sus that the developers only updated this 5 months ago though. So what I ran into just now may have not been an actual issue, but in a couple of weeks when I like continue this, if I run into an actual issue and something's not working, I can't do anything. Like, I'm just gonna have to wait for someone else in the community to update this, but still the developer would have to approve the PR. Anyway, how long have I been coding? I have no idea how long I've been doing this for. It's not been that bad. Only like 48 minutes. That's fine. I know most people aren't gonna actually like watch the stream, but anyway, thanks for watching. If you are watching, if you like the video, please leave a like on the video. If you dislike the video, please leave a dislike on the video and comment down below ways I can improve content on the channel. If you have any advice on like improving in Rust, improving in programming in general, please leave a comment down below. Probably need it. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video and all that jazz. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
We coolin' for the